Mai kako! I am Kumumaile coming to you from Ka Hale Hoaka on the island of Molokai, and I have some really great things to share with you. Ka Hale Hoaka has finally published our own textbooks and workbooks that go along with all of our different Olelo Hawaiʻi courses. We also have an Olelo no Eau coloring book. Look at how nani loa ke ia mea. It's so beautiful, yeah? For our Papa Keiki, our beginning Olelo Hawaiʻi course, we have a textbook and a workbook. These are wonderful. When you start working on your workbooks and your practice sheets, you have a reference to go back and look and reference to. You don't have to watch my videos to go, oh, what did Kumumaile say again? You have a textbook to guide you along the way. We even have a textbook and a workbook for Papa Makua. Look at how beautiful this is. And you can just take a look in here and see how beautiful they came out. We're so happy about these puke. We have all of these books. We also have Olelo no Eau posters and different types of merch that you can bring right into your home, into your learning spaces, to bring a little bit of Ka Hale Hoaka into your hale and your ohana. If you're ready to see what we have to offer, you can go straight to kahalehoaka.com and visit our online store. You can also go directly via this link below.